Hi everyone, I am doing a day in my life vlog again, and it is going to be extra special because who's here? My mom and my dad. They're both here, and they reached like really early in the morning, around 5. Their flight was like really delayed, so today we're just chilling, spending the day together. They finally got to meet my cats, and they really liked it and enjoyed it. I think Shadow is somewhere. Where is Shadow? Okay, they're nowhere to be found, but yeah, so we're just chilling. I am just catching up, and I also have a lot of work to do. So I have a campaign to shoot. This is the Hello H&M member campaign, so I'm very excited. I was just kind of researching and everything, and I'm just about to paint my nails. I haven't painted my nails in so long. I think the entire lockdown I did not paint my nails, so I'm very excited to do that. H&M has actually come out with new nail polish. Me and my mom, we were like checking out everything that they sent, so let me just show you. So we've got these jewelry. I really like the necklace. I loved the earring, and they have a couple of so they have like a bunch of nail polishes that I thought would look nice. They are really nice colors. Oh, I love this one. It's like a khaki green. Even this is really nice, like a dual chrome. Very pretty. This is also quite nice. Yeah, so we're just kind of like deciding on that. Kemal lagchi mama? So I just got done applying the nail polish, and this is how it looks. And I haven't seen my nails with nail polish on so long. I was just discussing with my dad. So I just got the new AirPods, remember? And they just don't stay on my ears, so we were just thinking of going and getting the old one only, because with these kind of I don't know what they're called, but you do have, this is the medium size, so you get them in small. So I'll try the small, because yesterday I was working out and they just would not stay. So if I like jump a little or something, see now it stays. Yesterday I was sweaty, so it was not staying. Say hello, puppy.
Hi. Hello.
So my dad wants to buy the AirPod, and I was suggesting that he buys the old one. With these ones, they don't stay at all. I have to clean that one. Try this one. It's written here. See, left and R is written. Oh, that's left.
I also don't like this.
I like the old one, but this one has like full-on background noise removal. So you won't be able to hear anything. This is no charge. I didn't like it as much. I don't like this new one. I like the old one more. Maybe, have you tried the old AirPods?
No, I haven't.
I like the old AirPods. They didn't have stock. Exactly, yeah. This is how the old AirPods
I like this.
Me too. So I used to work out with these. Yeah.
Same.
Yeah. Maybe if I put the so they have a smaller, these I can take this out.
Even then, it won't.
Yeah, this never stays. Yeah.
This is the best one.
Yeah. So my mom got me some ilish mach that I'm so excited to have. I haven't had home fried macchi in so long. And I also ordered food from one of my favorite delivery place. It's called Otenga. It's actually an Assamese place. Otenga means elephant apple in Assamese. And I've got some dal, we've got rice, and this is rangalaw bhaji, which means it is a red pumpkin. And I love Assamese food. It's one of my favorite cuisines. And then I'm gonna have it with some fish. Shushu? So many people in the house. Oh, you can smell the ilish mach. Oh, ma, okay, Debe. Ilish mach is ready. I'm so sorry if this is too tempting for you guys. I almost ate and then I realized I forgot to show you. So this is aloo pitika, which is mashed potatoes with chili and onion and mustard oil. We've got that pumpkin sabzi. We've got the dal and that's the fish. So yeah, so we're all having lunch. Sushi's bonding with mom. She wants this. She loves playing with paper. মা এটা তুমি প্রথমবার খেলছো না বিড়ালের সাথে?
আজকাল আমি বিড়াল ভালোই আসতাম।
Every Sunday at 4 o'clock I go live. I do my Sunday with Deb. So today I will be going live in another 1 hour. So I have to get ready for that. So I'm just having a little coffee after my lunch. That was a very heavy lunch for me. And I know usually when I eat like a lot of rice in the afternoon, I feel so sleepy. And yeah, so just having some coffee. And my mom used to never like cats. Look at her now. What do you think about cats now, Ma? How do you like cats now?
Now I like it.
Oh, Shushu.
My granddaughter.
Look at Shushu's legs.
My granddaughter, my granddaughter, my granddaughter.
So I'm just doing my makeup. I'm like basically just doing my base before I go live, and I wanted to show you like some of the products that I used. For priming, I used the Becca one. This is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I really like it. It makes your base look so nice and dewy and also keeps it very hydrated. And for my foundation today, I used this one. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. I really like it. This is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. And I'm currently contouring, and for that I am going to use this one, this contour shade from Charlotte Tilbury. I really like this. And then I'll be using Becca's Moonstone as a highlighter. It's such a pretty highlight. And for blush, I'll be using this palette from MAC. It is amazing. So I'm done with my base. I did a very natural looking base, and I'll be doing my lipstick once I do my eyes live with one of you. I think Huda is going live with me today. I'm really looking forward to it. I saw her stories that she's already ready. So I'm going to go change. I'm actually going to wear something from H&M, whatever they sent in. I'm very excited. They have this mustard dress. I think that would look really nice. This is what I'm wearing. It's such a pretty dress from H&M. Even the hairband is from H&M. I literally have 1 minute to go live, so I'm gonna go do that. So I'm just about to go live. This is usually where I do it from. Hi everyone! I am so happy to be back and doing my Sunday with Deb live again. Last Sunday was actually a break I took for the first time. It was right after the day after my birthday, so I needed that Sunday off. So I'm sorry we couldn't go live that day, but we are back. I am so excited. So if you guys follow me on my stories, then you know that Huda is going live with me today. And yeah, let's do this. Hi Richa, how are you? Thank you so much for joining me live. Oh my god, you look so beautiful. Thank you. One sec, I'm just turning the volume up. There we go. Oh my god, Huda, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you so much for having me. I was just waiting for this day for so long. Thank you so much.
Anytime. I went through your profile and you've been doing some amazing work yourself. I've been loving all the
Thank you so much.
So I just got done with my live. This is the look that we created. It's a beautiful graphic liner that matches my dress, and now the light is almost gone. I need to take pictures of the look. Ma and I are just drinking some wine, so cheers to that. Cheers to a good Sunday. She's having some white. I'm not really a big fan of white wine unless I'm having, say, like lots of seafood, or if it's like really hot and it's like a nice Sunday brunch. I don't mind like a nice glass of champagne or prosecco, but I do prefer my red wines. And this is actually a white wine glass, but anyway, doesn't matter. Bapi is not drinking wine. It's his it's chai time. So look at this, we've got chai, we've got white wine and red wine on mine. So yeah, that's what's happening. I'm going to quickly take some pictures so that, you know, I have some nice pictures for the gram. It's Shadow's turn now. So we just came from the grocery store. I hadn't gone grocery shopping in a really long time because, you know, I've not been cooking, but obviously they'll start cooking, so we've got like a lot of veggies and everything. So I'm just going to sort everything out right about now, and then probably we will make some dinner and eat that, and then I'm just gonna sleep. I cannot wait to sleep. I'm already ready to go to bed. Everything is finally sorted. Dinner time. So I just had my dinner and I am ready to call this a night. Good night, Mama.
Good night.
I'm so happy that they're here, and I had such a nice, lovely Sunday. How was your day, Ma?
Lovely day.
Buffy is watching IPL. Are you enjoying? Did you have a good Sunday?
Sure.
Awesome. I think that's a yes. So that's it for today's vlog. I had a wonderful meal. It was so nice to eat Mayer Hate Ranna, and it felt so nice. They reached around 5 in the morning, right? So we are all very sleep deprived, and today was a very eventful day. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and bye.